Why does my bank want my foreign tax identification number? Let's dive in and explore this one together and work out why your bank is asking this question. Hi, I'm Jarrad Brown, Australian expat financial planner based here in Singapore. Now, we probably all received an email, a letter, maybe a phone call from your bank asking for your tax ID number. For those of us in Singapore, expats on an employment pass, that is our FIN number here in Singapore. That is our tax ID. Singapore being the organised, incredibly efficient place that it is all that one number, which makes life very simple. Now, the Australian Tax Office, the banks in Australia, require that number to identify us with the Singapore system and to ensure what withholding tax actually applies to our Australian bank accounts. So let's just assume that we have $100,000 Aussie dollars sitting inside our Commonwealth bank account. Doesn't matter which bank, obviously, yet let's just use Commonwealth as an example. And that $100,000 earns us $4,000 of interest each year. So we're getting a 4% return on our cash. Now, if we don't give CBA our tax ID number, they are obligated to withhold tax or withhold tax on the interest at the highest marginal rate, which means that on that $4,000, we're going to lose about $1,800 or just shy of half of it because we didn't disclose that tax ID number. Instead, if we had provided them with our FIN number, our tax ID number, we would only lose $400. So we've just made an additional $1,400 or kept an additional $1,400 simply by providing our Aussie bank with our overseas tax ID number. Now, of course, if you're working in a country that does not provide a tax ID number, there is the opportunity to outline that to your bank, and they will ask you for a reason why. If the tax authority in the country you reside in does not issue you with one, then you can provide that statement or that acknowledgement to your Aussie bank. So don't ignore that request. Make sure your tax ID number is on file with your Australian bank and you're not paying more withholding tax than you absolutely must. Any questions at all, reach out, drop me a note in the comments, but thank you for tuning in and see you next time.